Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is shiny lipsticks part 2. Here are the best shiny lipsticks in my collection, and I have so many of these that I actually could make a part 2, and I will definitely make a part 3. So please hang on for that. And also before we get started, please subscribe because I do have a bunch of things that I can share with you. My experiences with makeup. And now let's get started. We have all kinds of price ranges. So we have drugstore a little bit higher, and then of course luxury. So first off, I think let's start with the cheapest one that I have. So it's Wet n Wild High Shine Brilliance. So of course I'm swatching this for you, and this is such a gorgeous lipstick. And of course the most affordable from these. Absolutely amazing, highly recommend. Then along the same line, SHEGLAM. These were a range when they came out. And for a reason, because these are gorgeous, like so pretty. Look at that shine. Absolutely amazing. And you can just order these online, available from anywhere in the world. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommend. Catrice always has some really gorgeous shiny lipsticks. This happens to be the Plumping gel lipstick. I mean, if it's a gel lipstick, it's kind of amazing. And of course, it's a gorgeous nude, and these are really comfortable to wear. I usually put this on top of other lipsticks, like a more matte lipstick, but that shine is so amazing. Highly recommend also Catrice. Catrice is always a safe bet to go to for shiny lipsticks. Of course, Revlon, the high shine one, also amazing, iconic for a reason. Literally like butter. Look at that shine. Absolutely. And also that shade. I mean, all of the shades are pretty because I love them, but this is just, you know, top of my heart. Something that no one talks about is H&M lipsticks. Like, they have notoriously good lipsticks. They have matte ones and they have the creamier ones, and this is a creamy one. That is so gorgeous. Where can I put it? Probably here. And look at that shine, and glides like a dream. I mean, you really should check out H&M lipsticks because these are probably a bit more pricey than drugstore would be, but so amazing. I love even the matte formula, but today we're talking about the shiny stuff, so this is amazing. And then P2 is also drugstore from Germany. Look at the color, look at the color. And I'm gonna be swatching it, I don't know, probably here. That's amazing. I'm actually wearing this today. So amazing. P2 lipsticks are notoriously good also. And now getting into the more pricier things. This is from Douglas. This is the Mirror Shine Hydrating and Wet lipstick. I mean, the name says it all. These colors tend to pull a little bit orange and peach, their color range, but I mean, if you're into that, and also this shine is just indispensable. So highly recommend Douglas as well for shiny lipsticks. And of course, MAC, we always have to talk about MAC. I did mention the Luster Glass before, and this is a cream sheen. This happens to be Dozen Carnations. It's this really pretty, like poppy, I would say it's more like a poppy color, a little bit orangey. But let me just put it here. I mean, especially if you don't build it up, it's a gorgeous shade. I really did swatch it awkwardly, but this is such a gorgeous shade. And cream sheen lipsticks are amazingly shiny also from MAC. Not just the Luster Glass. I actually prefer these, to be honest. And the last one is the most expensive. Obviously, YSL Love Shine. Thanks to Dua Lipa. Now I have it. And this is just gorgeous. Look at that. Literally mirror. You can actually see yourself in this. So amazing. So guys, these were the second batch of shiny lipsticks that I would recommend to you. And as I was researching for this, I found a bunch of other ones. So there is a part 3 coming up quite soon. And until then, bye-bye.